A simple onion cure for severe cough. Our people treat most diseases with simple and effective methods. Of course, we support it. However, it is not appropriate to learn in serious diseases. Let's talk about onion, one of the most effective tools used by our people. 500 grams of crushed onion, 400 grams of sugar, 50 gr. honey. It is boiled in 1 liter of water over low heat for about 3 hours, filtered through cheesecloth and bottled. Drink 1 tablespoon of this mixture daily. The mixture is stored in a cool and dark place.